Hey everybody, we're here at Universal Orlando's Islands of Adventure. We're gonna rip open this Jersey Fusion box. Now we pulled some pretty big cards at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, the Ken Griffey Jr., the Michael Jordan. Let's see if we can top it here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. First though, we have to get a magic wand. Possibly we could run into a wizard or Harry Potter himself to guide us along our path. This should be a lot of fun. This is gonna be a wicked good time. Follow me. Got our butterbeer. That's yummy. Why are you looking at me funny? What's wrong? Oh, got it. So here we are. In Harry Potter, the wand chooses you. So shout out to my buddy Robbie for gifting me this. Then I gotta build the wand. We're gonna wave this over these boxes. Let's see if that does the trick. So here we go, Jersey Fusion. Box number one. We got a Willie Mays. This includes material from the 1979 jersey worn by Willie Mays. So we start out with baseball. Box number two. There we go. We got another baseball, Yankee, Yogi Berra. You got that iconic pinstripe on there. I'll get that. This is from the 1979 jersey worn by the player depicted. And I'm assuming that could have been as a managerial position. I'm not sure if that was as a player. Here we go, box number three. We stick with baseball. Looks like Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt. That's a sweet looking patch card. Let's see what year that's from. This is from the 1997 jersey worn by the player, so Big Hurt, 1997. See if we get some football. Down to two boxes. We stick with baseball. Frank Robinson. This one's our hit. 7 out of 25. This is from the 1980 jersey worn by the player. Very sweet. Frank Robinson. All right, our last box. Are we going to finish off strong?
Are we doing all three of us?
Here we go. We got an MJ, Michael Jordan. This was from the 96-97 season. So that's the year that they won 69 games en route to Michael Jordan's 5th NBA championship. The GOAT. Thanks for joining me today. So which park did it better on those Jersey Fusion boxes? Was it the Magic Kingdom or was it Universal Studios? You decide. Let me know in the comments down below. Till next time, from the top of my heart, see you at the parks.